Sikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Contract of sale of goods. A contract of sale is made by an offer to buy or sell goods for a price and the acceptance of such offer. Definition: a contract of sale of goods is a contract whereby the seller transfers or agrees to transfer the property in goods to the buyer for a price. So, a contract of sale is to transfer or agreement to transfer the property in goods. The term contract of sale includes both sale as well as agreement to sell. Basic contract characteristic of contract of sale. Mode: the contract of sale may be in writing by words or partly in writing and partly by words, either expressed or implied. Condition: the contract of sale may be absolute or conditional. Delivery: the parties can freely determine the terms of delivery or mode of payment by their mutual consent. Time of delivery: the contract may provide for immediate delivery of the goods or immediate payment of the price or both, or for the delivery or payment by installments, or that the delivery or payment or both shall be postponed. Ownership: the seller must be owner or part owner of the goods. It may even be constituted between one part owner and another. Transfer of property: every contract of sale involves transfer of property in goods from the seller to buyer. In case of sale, the property in goods passes to the buyer immediately, whereas in case of agreement to sell, the property in goods passes at a future date. Sale: if the property in goods is transferred immediately on formation of contract of sale, it is called a sale. Example: X sells his watch to B at rupees 1000 and delivers the watch to B. It is sale, even if B has not yet made the payment. Agreement of sale: where the property in goods passes after formation of contract of sale, it is called an agreement to sell. Agreement to sell is prestage to sell. Every agreement of sale is intended to be converted to sale later on the specified date or on fulfillment of the condition. Thus, the term contract of sale includes both sale as well as agreement to sell. Sale of goods implies transfer of property and not payment of price. Though payment of money, the price, is essential part of sale, but the time of payment is irrelevant. A sale without immediate payment, that is credit sale, or prior payment, advance payment, is a valid sale under Sale of Goods Act. Example: on 15th January, X agrees to sell his coat to Y at rupees 1000 on 31st January. 30th January being his birthday. On 31st January, the coat is sold to Y. Ownership of the coat passes to Y, whether or not X has delivered the coat to Y or Y has made any payment for it. Example: on 15th January, X agrees to sell his refrigerator to Y provided his mechanic checks it and approves it. On 20th, the mechanic checked the refrigerator and found it okay. The refrigerator got sold to Y whether or not Y paid for it. Example, on 20th January, X agrees to sell his computer to Y at rupees 10,000 if Y deposits the money to his bank account within 31st January. As soon as Y deposits the money within 31st January, the computer is sold to Y. Contract of service. When the main ingredients, goods and materials are supplied by one and the party to the contract makes payment principally for work and skill and not for transfer of goods, it is contract of service and not a contract of sale. Example, X gives a piece of cloth to a tailor B to make a shirt. This is a contract of service, though the tailor may have provided some materials like thread, lining, button, etc. Sale of goods with service. In case of sale of goods with service, the component of sale of goods must be severable from sale of service, otherwise it would not amount to sale of goods. A hotel provides residence and food, making a consolidated charge for both the services. No rebate was allowed if food was not taken by the customers. Held supply of food was not sale of goods but simply a service, as the transaction was an indivisible contract of multiple services and did not involve any sale of food. It was observed that in this case the position is akin to that of a steamship or airline company which serves food to passengers. Example, X goes to a restaurant and gives order for food. It is contract of sale as he pays mainly for the food, though the restaurant gives considerable service also in the deal. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.